Introducing the Hitway BK11, a compact, foldable electric bike engineered for urban streets, country trails, and everything in between. At its heart is a 250W high-efficiency hub motor, delivering 32 Newton-meters of torque, offering smooth, reliable acceleration up to 25 kilometers per hour. Whether you're weaving through traffic or tackling weekend paths, the BK11 makes every ride feel effortless. The power source? A 36V 12Ah lithium-ion battery tucked discreetly into the frame. With a single charge, enjoy a range of 35 to 90 kilometers, depending on your assist level and terrain. That's enough to cover your daily commute, and some extra for adventure. Built with a lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy frame, the BK11 folds down easily for storage in apartments, offices, or car trunks. At just 25.8 kilograms net weight, it's one of the most versatile bikes in its class, ideal for city dwellers, travelers, and those short on space. When the pavement ends, 3-inch wide pneumatic tires and a front fork suspension system take over, absorbing bumps and giving you a smoother ride on rough roads and trails. Add to that seat shock absorption, and long rides become more comfortable than ever. The Shimano 7-speed drivetrain gives you flexibility on all types of terrain. Climb hills, cruise flats, or descend with control. It's all within your reach with a simple gear shift. At night or in low-light conditions, the integrated LED headlight and rear brake light ensure you're seen and safe. And when it's time to stop, dual mechanical disc brakes bring you to a confident halt, even on wet or uneven surfaces. Stay connected with your ride using the intuitive LCD display, which shows speed, distance, assist level, and battery status in real time. Simple, clear, and always visible. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or exploring, the Hitway BK11 is your ticket to freedom. With style, reliability, and compact convenience all rolled into one.